with the help of spirit guides David, Philip, and Miss Jessica, we are going to try to reach today the spirit of Mr. Manuel Mazon Rosario. Manuel, are you there? Manuel, I am supposed to ask you, are you okay in the afterlife?
Help.
Are there any messages you have for your mother and or brothers? Is there anyone else who is trying to contact Gail? And if it is you, can you tell me who you are? Mr. Manuel, I'm supposed to make sure it's okay that Gail tries contacting you. How does Gail know you? Do any of the soldiers whose graves Gail visits in Ohio want to contact her? If the answer is yes, what is your names? That's weird. I've never had that happen before. Hold on one second.